Hey guys, Trudy here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I want to go over some specials that we'll be having at Panhandle. For 1 week only, we have an AR45 with a CRX motor. It is electric start. The motor has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. You have a $650 savings on this, so this guy is $1,500 till next Friday only. Friday, that's it, we're done. If you want to add the plumbing kit to that, it has got the manifold, the blending manifold. It has got the fill hoses, not the fill hoses, the plumbing hoses. It's got the banjo bulkhead fittings and the clear bell water filter and the fittings, a uniseal, everything you're going to need to plumb this up, and that's going to be $22.98 just until next Friday. So 1 week, guys, and this sale will be over. I also have a clear out special on the Davis shooter tips and nozzle holders. We have the 2 to 3, 4 to 8, and 10 to 12 nozzle holders. These are going to be clearanced out for $20 each, any size, while supplies last. And we also have the nozzle holders itself. The 2 nozzle holders are going to be $30, the 3 nozzle holder $35, and the 4 nozzle holder is going to be $40. As you see, these are one piece, they won't break, there's no welds. But while supplies last, I know I only have one of the 3 nozzle holders. So these are going to be sale until they're gone. So this is a clear out sale on the Davis. So until we are out of stock on those, I'll be discounting those. But the AR45 and the AR45 with the plumbing kit is 1 week only. So if you need this and you're looking to buy one or you're thinking about buying one, this is going to be the best deal you're going to get. And also, I will be giving one of these away at my Panhandle Power Wash 2-day event, an AR45 with a CRX motor. That will be given away at the Panhandle event. So please register. We've got a lot of great training, a lot of networking. I cater lunch on Friday. So if you can make it, it is a tax write-off. You can travel to the beach in winter, enjoy the beach. We've been having 60-degree weather, which is cold for us, but it's supposed to warm up. So we could be up in the 80s in 3 weeks from now. So take your family to the beach. You come and get some training, win some prizes, and network. I'd love to meet you. I'd love to see you there. Register on Panhandle website. In the center, there's a banner. You click there, it'll redirect you. So I hope to see you in 3 weeks, and don't miss out on these savings, guys. Stay humble and hustle hard.